Hello everyone! Is your car shifting hard, struggling to accelerate, or going into limp mode? If your obd2 scanner has detected P0745 Pressure Control Solenoid A malfunction, this means that the transmission fluid pressure isn't being properly regulated, leading to harsh shifting, overheating, and even transmission failure. In this video, I'll explain what P0745 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0745? The P0745 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an issue with the Pressure Control Solenoid A in the transmission. This solenoid is responsible for maintaining the correct hydraulic pressure to ensure smooth gear shifting. If this problem is not fixed, it can cause hard or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, overheating transmission, poor fuel economy, check engine light on vehicle stuck in limp mode. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the key components responsible for this issue. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0745, check these important components. Pressure Control Solenoid A. Location: inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission pan. Function: regulates hydraulic pressure to control gear shifting. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function: monitors the hydraulic pressure inside the transmission. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location: on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function: measures the rotational speed of the input shaft for proper shifting. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location: typically under the hood near the battery or firewall. Function: controls the pressure solenoid based on sensor inputs. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the pressure solenoid, sensors and PCM. Function: ensures proper signal transmission. Damaged wiring can disrupt pressure control. Common causes of P0745 faulty pressure control solenoid A. If stuck open or closed, it disrupts transmission fluid pressure. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty fluid can block solenoid function. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can trigger the code. Wiring or connector issues. Corroded or damaged wires can cause intermittent faults. Malfunctioning PCM-TCM, a faulty control module or software glitch can disrupt pressure control. Internal transmission problems. A damaged valve body or worn clutch plates may be the root cause. How to fix P0745. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect the pressure control solenoid A. Test for proper resistance and operation. Step 3. Examine the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Ensure it's reading correctly. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded or broken wires. Step 5. Check the input speed sensor, ISS. Compare readings with output speed sensor. Step 6. Inspect the PCM-TCM connections. Make sure all connectors are clean and secure. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0745 can lead to serious transmission damage. Diagnosing and fixing it early can save you from expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0356, ignition coil F primary secondary circuit malfunction. P0357, ignition coil G primary secondary circuit malfunction. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.